How to start an online business. It is predicted that up to 95% of people will buy products online, resulting in an increase in online ordering of products and services, and a decrease in physical store purchases. If you want to start an online business, this clip will teach you the important steps to create your own business. Starting an online business is not as easy as some people may think. The term online simply refers to the place where the business is conducted, but the important concept that you should consider is the business aspect. If you want to have a successful business, you should consider these things first. 1. Identify a niche. First, identify a product or service that you can offer online that will solve a problem or meet a need for your target audience. Conduct market research to ensure that there is demand for what you plan to offer. 2. Create a business plan. Develop a business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, marketing strategy, budget, and other details related to your business. 3. Choose a business structure. Decide on a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. 4. Register your business. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. 5. Build your website. Create a website that showcases your products or services, and make sure it is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. 6. Establish an online presence. Create social media profiles, blog, and use other digital marketing techniques to reach your target audience and build your brand. 7. Set up payment and shipping methods. Decide on payment and shipping options for your customers, and ensure that they are secure and reliable. 8. Launch your business. Launch your online business and monitor your progress, making adjustments as needed to improve your results. Remember, starting an online business requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt to changing market conditions. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.